It's me again, Mamacita Nicole. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe after you watching my video. So today we are going to the grocery and let's go!
So we are here already in the grocery, guys. So ayan, mag-start na tayo kung anong bibilhin natin. Wow. Ang tomato nila super ganda. Yeah, looks really good. Tingnan nyo, fresh na fresh. O diba? Ang ganda. Pero ang hindi natin alam, wow, almost $2. 1 piece lang siya, guys. O diba? Dito naman tayo sa apple. Pero hindi ako bibili ng apple. Because I have already some apple in the house. At saka ito yung cutest, guys. Super sarap nito. Ang sweet. Lalo na pag summer. Oh my God. It's really good. Really, really good. So, dito naman tayo sa watermelon. Yung watermelon nila, guys, super ano siya. Lalo na pag summer, baba yung price niya. Maliliit lang to. At saka ito yung pinakamalaki. Parang dalawang ulo sa laki niya. Pero ang sarap nito. Super sweet. Meron ding watermelon na hindi masarap, no? Hindi matamis. Gusto ko yung sweet na sweet. Ayan, 25 cents. O, diba? Ano bang kaibahan ng locally at saka yung organic? Kasi ang organic, very expensive. Tapos yung locally, lang naman, tama-tama lang siya yung price niya. Yan ang tanong ay dapat sagutin. Charot. Of course, magkuha din tayo ng broccoli. At saka yung carrots, kailangan natin yan. And cabbage, para maggawa tayo ng coleslaw. Wow, ang ganda ng nila. Peppers. O diba? Orange. Ayan. Mahilig ako sa red pepper, guys. Pero ngayon, gusto ko yung orange na kulay. The color is orange is the best. I think so. And now, nandito naman tayo sa mga squash. Meron silang spaghetti squash dito, guys. Yes, ang sarap. Nakatry na ako niyan. Ayan, oh. Yung parang watermelon siya. Spaghetti squash yan. Ang sarap. At syempre, meron din silang sweet potatoes. Pero, para siyang plum ba? Di ko alam. Basta sweet potatoes siya. At dito na naman tayo sa chips. Kailangan ng asawa ko ng Doritos. So, nandito na tayo sa meat. Ayan, may mga sauces dito. At iba't iba pang mga pork. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung mga pork chop nila, guys, walang skin, hindi katulad sa atin, 'di ba? Sa Philippines marami tayong skin. Yung pork chop nila, tinatanggal na nila yung skin. Kaya mas masarap yung may skin kaysa wala. Ayaw kasi nilang kumain ng skin. At saka ito naman yung mga pork na may buto-buto. Meron silang dito, bone marrow. Of course, sausage. Sausage is life na sa Amerika, guys, kasi mahilig yan sila sa sausage. Yung asawa ko, mahilig dyan. At saka meron silang ham. So right now, nandito naman tayo sa bakery. Kailangan natin ng bread. Bread is life. Ayan, si Apyot nagkuha ng donut. Ayan guys, mga cake. Sinong mahilig sa cake dyan? Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa sweet. Yes, gusto ko yung maalat-alat. Diba? Shout out dyan sa mahilig sa sweet at shout out din sa mga taong hindi mahilig sa maalat.
So, ayan guys, we just got home from grocery. So, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga binibili ko doon sa grocery.
So, this is what I bought, guys. I buy some sweet tea and coffee mate. We call that here half and half. And, of course, some eggs. We have some eggs in here. You know what it's like, eggs. There you go. And this one, we have a ground beef. And this one is a pork. What do you call this, babe?
Pork roast.
Pork roast. Yes, this one. And we have some Doritos in here. Of course, favorite for my husband. We have two different flavor. This one, the down is the cheesy one, and this one is the ranch. And we have some chips in here. This one, the bachas, the tortilla chips. And we have some bread in here, sandwich bread. And the burger, for the burger. But I like this one, guys, for my peanut butter. I really like that. And we have some cheese in here. It's a cheddar cheese. And we have some turkey breast for the sandwich. And we have some hot dog. It's a Jumbo Franks Classic. It's a chicken. And we have some smoked sausage here. Yes. That's the American food, of course. And we have some Miracle Whip. Yes. It's life din yan. We have some cutest in her. Yes, this is the cutest. We call that is orange. And we have some pineapple. And we have some tomato in here. Look at that. And some red pepper. Some broccoli. Carrots, of course. And Chinese pechay. And the last but not the least, the potatoes. Yes. So, that's it.
So, yun lang yung mga binibili ko sa grocery. Anyway, I just wanna end the video in here. Thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always updated for my new video. Bye guys and have a God bless day!